In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip a page horizontally in Canva. Flipping an image or an element horizontally is a really useful trick, especially if you want to mirror a photo, change the direction a subject is facing, or create a more balanced layout in your design. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end you'll know exactly where everything is and how to use it confidently. First, open your design in Canva and make sure you're on the page with the image or element you want to flip. This could be a photo, a graphic, or any object on your canvas. The key thing is that you need to select it before the flip options appear. Go ahead and click on the image or element. When it's selected, you'll see a box appear around it with handles on the corners and sides. You'll also notice a toolbar appearing above the canvas. This toolbar is where you'll find many of the editing options, including the flip feature we're going to use. Now, look towards the top of the screen, just above your design, and find the button labeled Flip. If you don't see it right away, make sure your element is still selected. Sometimes, clicking away from the image will hide that option, so just click back on the image to bring it up again. Once you've clicked on the Flip button, Canva will show you two main options: flip horizontally and flip vertically. Since we want to mirror the image from left to right, we're going to choose flip horizontally. Click on flip horizontally, and you'll see your image instantly flip, like you're looking at it in a mirror. Take a moment to check how it looks in your overall design. Flipping horizontally can change the flow of your layout, especially if people or objects in the image are now facing a different direction. If you don't like the result, you can simply use the undo button at the top of the screen, or flip it horizontally again to return it to the original orientation. That's all there is to it. Click on the image, click on flip, and then choose flip horizontally. With this simple technique, you can quickly adjust your visuals and create more dynamic, well-balanced designs in Canva.